Have you ever wondered how to find stocks that are quietly coiling up, ready to make a powerful move? That's exactly what the squeeze play setup is all about. When Bollinger Bands tighten inside the Keltner Channels, it signals a period of low volatility. And when that pressure is released, breakouts can be explosive. In today's video, I'll show you how to screen for these setups using ChartMill. We'll walk through the settings together, check the results, and build a list of interesting candidates before the market opens. First, open the Trading Ideas page in the main menu. You'll find it under the Stock Market sub-menu. The Squeeze Play Trading Idea is on the first page. Click on More Info. This screen uses only 3 basic settings: average volume, the Squeeze Play daily setup, and trend intensity. The minimum average volume must be above 300,000 shares. This filter ensures liquidity. The Squeeze Play daily setup filter searches for stocks where the Bollinger Bands are within the Keltner Channels. Trend intensity is set to 105, which ensures that only stocks in a clear trend phase are included. More details about this filter can be found in the article linked in the description below. Now click Run. At the time of recording, that gave us 131 results. Let's narrow things down with a few extra filters. Still in the General tab, set a minimum price of $5 to avoid penny stocks. This drops the list to 75 names. Next, in the Performance tab, set percent change to at least 0. That way, only stocks that close positive in the last session remain. Now we're down to 47 candidates. To get a better overview, I like to display 3 charts per row. You can adjust this from the small inverted triangle in the blue bar. You can also collapse the left menu by clicking on the 3 lines. And if the charts look too small, open the Chart Settings tab and choose your preferred time frame. Here I'll select Best Fit. Notice how all these stocks are moving within a narrow sideways range. The purple lines are Bollinger Bands, while the green lines are Keltner Channels. Since the Bollinger Bands are inside the Keltner Channels, you get that typical squeeze pattern. Now, if you are a paid subscriber and would like to see the latest earnings numbers with the chart, click on the Configuration button in the main chart settings. Select Earnings Data and then Show Earnings Table. Finally, click Apply. ChartMill now displays the quarterly EPS and sales numbers, including the estimates for the upcoming quarter. I'm going to use one last important filter. Select the TA Indicators tab and open the drop-down menu next to Volume Increase. As an example, I'll select Volume more than previous volume. As a result, the screener only shows stocks that traded more volume on the latest day compared to the previous day. The list is now narrowed down to 23 tickers. Let's take a closer look. Energy Fuels looks like a decent setup. Price has just broken through the upper Bollinger Band and is close to the high of the current trading range. If you click on the plus sign, you can add this ticker to a watch list. I'm going to add it to my Squeeze Play watch list. As you can see, Energy Fuels appears again, but this time on the Canadian market. If you want to avoid duplicates, go to the General tab and under Exchange, select US only. Another ticker that definitely deserves a spot on this watch list is Tango Therapeutics. Yesterday, it closed 6.6% higher at a new high with significant volume. In this way, you can further explore the results and add interesting breakout candidates. Once you've built your watch list, open it via the button in the blue horizontal bar at the top of your screen. I prefer to change the layout to 2 charts. This way, I can view a daily and weekly chart side by side, which gives me a clearer perspective on both short and long-term trends. For even more detail, open the stock's profile page with one click. Here you'll find fundamental data, analyst estimates, and more. And that's how you can quickly find squeeze play setups with ChartMill. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please take a moment to fill out our short survey. It takes less than 30 seconds and helps us create the kind of content you find most useful. You'll find the link below this video. Thanks for watching and good luck trading.